Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to compare games achievements with friends on Mac. So one of the fun part of Game Center is comparing your achievement with your friends. This lets you see who has unlocked more achievements in some game and helps make gaming a little more competitive. As long as both of you played a supported game and you are already Game Center friends, comparing achievement is a quick and easy task. So to compare achievement, first open Games app on your Mac. Now click on your profile picture at the top right of the window and here go to all friends. Now here you can see your Game Center friends. So select the friend whose achievement you want to compare. Now here if you scroll all the way down, then you can see achievement section in compare with the person name. So click on achievements and now open the game that both of you played, and now choose the achievement section to compare your progress with your friend's achievement. You can now see which achievements you are unlocked and which ones your friends has completed, and this way you can compare your and your friends both achievements together. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.